Well, hello there. A good day to you. I'm your Botlr, the head servant of your worksite. My unique label sensor technology complies to your most demanding labeling requirements. With my innovative and patent technology, I can calculate every bottle diameter automatically. Wondering why you should trust me? Simple. Unlike my competitors, I can smoothly apply two labels precisely 180 degrees opposite to each other or on any desired place on your bottle. I can handle unique sizes and shapes and even apply transparent labels effortlessly. My intelligent engineering allows you to label any bottle or cylindrical object ranging from 13 to 120 millimeters in diameter, without any length restrictions. I also support containers with a slightly broader sealing cover, something no other bottle labeling machine can match. Due to my accessible design, you can apply label coils in no time. I'm easygoing and fast at math. I can calculate every diameter in less than 10 seconds, making your labeling process faster and more productive. Although I'm not a real robot butler, I do have the ability to communicate through my user-friendly interface. Looking for a fast and easy way to start labeling your bottles? Just pick the automatic program for easy and quick setup. Or adjust your settings manually in no time. Choose your label quantity, your label positioning, easily set your counter goal and start calibrating. When my calibration is completed, I can start labeling your bottles perfectly, over and over again. I know my strengths and I can certainly work autonomously without errors, but I do not mind a little company. You can easily add on your label printer to automate your entire labeling line. Or work even more precisely with an add-on laser. But why believe me on my word when my effectiveness is already a proven fact? They were ready for change, effectiveness and innovation. Are you?
To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit www.labelgraff.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.